Good afternoon, everyone. It's Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we are closing another house today. We're purchasing a house from Leroy. Leroy, it's been a pleasure doing business with you, sir. And you came from out of state and drove all the way over here. You owned this home. How long did you own the home here in Columbus for?
36 years.
36 years. And how did you first find out about us and find out about me and our team?
You sent me a card asking me if I was wanting to sell, and I was ready to sell, and so I called you up.
And you probably get a lot of cards like that.
Yes, I do.
You do. And I was not the only person, we were not the only outfit to take a look at this property. Is that correct?
That's correct. I had 3 other parties look at the house.
So the ultimate question is, what made you go with us rather than one of the other guys?
Well, it wasn't price, because 2 of them came in at higher prices, but it was comfortable dealing with you. I felt more comfortable with you, and your team. I mean, I met Walker, and he was a great guy, the first one that I really met, and he was comfortable to work with. And then you came along and you were comfortable. So, you know, when I was looking for somebody that I felt that were comfortable with, and thought I could trust, and then I went out and did some research.
Yes, you did.
And you got a lot of good recommendations, and I said, it's not the most money, but I feel the best about it, and I'm going to use you.
Nice.
And I'm glad I did, because this has been an extremely nice deal to get done. I mean, there was no pressure, no anxiety or anything, and
nice.
We worked well together. I'm
happy
sure did. I made that decision.
Thank you. So always remember, the highest offer is not always the best offer. Anyone could come in and try to go over the top or something like that. Everyone we work with, we want to give a fair shake, and we can do what we can do. But if you work with us, you know we're going to close. It's not this, you know, maybe this if, you know, and I hope to work with you. So if you have a house that you want to sell fast, were we able to get this thing done pretty quick for you?
Yes, you were.
Extremely fast.
Once I was happy with the deal and signed the papers, that's what? About a week to close.
Not even. I mean, it happens really quick, and we can move fast. If you have a house you want to sell fast, find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or you could call 300-5151. That area code is 614-300-5151. I'm Dave. This is Leroy, and we'll see you on the next video. Here's the keys. Just bought a house. Thank you.